Hi everyone, we have Surbhi Chauhan with us today, one of our CAT 2025 students. Welcome Surbhi, thank you for joining in today. Uh, Please tell us what was your CAT percentile and what background are you from?
So my CAT percentile is 97.67 and my background is Bachelor of Science from Cell and Molecular Biology.
Okay, that in itself is a niche coming from non-math background. If you can talk us through what was your preparation strategy, how did Career Launcher help?
So basically, the reason to join a coaching was definitely for points because coming from a non-math background, it was quite tough for me. I used to attend the offline classes regularly, and the thing is, the faculties used to structure the syllabus in such a way that it was very helpful to balance arithmetic as well as algebra simultaneously. And I did not have much time to give it to CAT because I was also continuing my college. I was also doing an internship during that time. So I used to come here for classes, and after classes, I used to give around 1 to 2 hours daily to get prep, and that's how I continued till CAT.
Yeah, good point to note. It's not about who gives more number of hours, right? It's more about smart work. And if you can identify your pain points on day one, even a limited hours of prep can sail you through. The way you see upwards of 97 from a BSc background in itself is a very commendable effort, I must say. So, what all calls did you have through different entrances? What all did you convert? Please tell us at length.
So basically, my calls are IMT Ghaziabad, Goa Institute of Management, IRMA Anand, IIM Rohtak, IIM Jammu, IIM Sirmaur, IIM Bodh Gaya, TIS, which is Tata Institute of Social Science, and yeah, mostly these were my calls. And I've converted till now. I'm Rohtak. I've converted IRMA Anand. I've converted GIM as well, and I'm waitlisted at TIS.
Okay. Any results that are awaited as yet?
Yes, so I also had IIFT call, so I'm still waiting for IIFT and IIT Kharagpur as well.
Yeah. Problem of plenty, to say the least, but I'm happy you have that problem. Any fond memory with any faculty or any staff member that stuck with you that you think should be mentioned?
So basically, when full length mock started, I used to score well in VARC, but then suddenly after 2 to 3 mocks, my VARC score like dropped, and because of that, my overall score dropped as well. So I used to come to Bhavin sir, and I was like ranting that I'm not getting enough marks in mocks. I don't know, only 1 month is left. I don't know now what I'll do. I was so confused. I was always in doubt whether I'll score good or not. बट भाविन सर वॉज ऑलवेज लाइक चिल, अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, अभी तो BRC स्कोर डाउन है, वो तो उसका पैटर्न है, वो तो अभी इंक्रीज होगा अपने आप, बस तो देखती जा. एंड आई वॉज वेरी क्लूलेस कि ऐसे कैसे होगा, बोलने से तो नहीं होता है बेसिकली. But still, I kept doing what I was doing, and then finally, in my CAT exam, I scored 99 plus in VRC.
So, conceptually speaking, whether in math, LRDI, or English, any improvement graph or any tangible outcome that you can talk about, like join करने से पहले raw था, but working on it. I'm sure हमने magic तो नहीं किया. You were equally reciprocative. You were sincere enough to follow those things. But any beans that you want to spill as to what were those things?
So basically, this was my second attempt. I also attempted CAT 2024, and that was without prep. I just went and gave the exam, and I scored 64 percentile something, which is around like 20-ish score. And from 20 score to 75, it was like a whole improvement because if we talk about DILR, so the thing is, I used to think that DLR might be easy, but then when I wrote the CAT exam in 2024, I realized that it was not as easy, or it was actually not easy at all. We had to like go through a lot of concepts for it. So when I joined CL, I went through all the DILR classes, all the quant classes, BRC as well, and then I realized what there were so many concepts which I was missing during CAT 2024, which I have learned in CAT 2025 and applied in the main exam, which resulted me in 97 plus.
Okay, what about the other side of the story? You kind of appeared for a lot of interviews, I must say, at different B schools. Beyond whether you converted that college or not, any core learning or experience that you want to tell our audience?
Okay, so the one thing I want to say that is interviews are very random. We don't know whatever we learn. We don't know what they might ask you. Like there were so many random questions in my interviews. It can be related to my UG. It can be related about that specific date, about my birthday, anything. So I would say that just be honest, and you don't have to like think a lot during at that time. Just say. But the thing is that the way of speaking or the way of clarity, that matters a lot rather than the particular answer.
Yeah, and in some sense, we say MBA is more about a packaging course. Your bachelor's degree gives you substance, but MBA is about people skill, the commercial angle of it. So you build personality by going through guest lectures and alumni networking and life projects and more. So we wish you good luck with your MBA. Have you decided upon a college, or you still want to wait for IIT Kharagpur and IIFT and then take a call? How are things?
As of now, my best call is IIM Rohtak. But again, as I said, that I'm still waiting for IIFT Delhi and IIT Kharagpur. After those results, I'll decide mainly which college I will go for.
Okay. By any chance, did you appear for the mocks that we conducted at Neutral Venue?
Yes.
If yes, if you can talk about that experience.
So basically, I already had one experience which I gave that 2024, but again, it was not enough. But when I reached there, and it gives a reality, like how in real the CAT examination would be conducted, and solving mocks or giving mocks at home is totally very different as compared to solving the mocks and giving the mocks at the center, because there are so many things. The environment actually matters a lot, because at home you are just at a comfortable space, in your own space, so it really matters. And the marks fluctuated by a very high percentage in mocks at home and mocks at the center. So that made me realize that okay, so there is a different scenario, and I have to work on it as well.
And if I had to candidly ask, were the resources in terms of funda books, mocks, or doubt clearing mentoring sessions, were they enough, or you had to kind of rely upon some other additional resources? How were things during your preparations?
Okay, so according to me, the resources from CL and whatever the faculties have taught, it was more than enough for me. So the one thing basically which helped me a lot was the daily dose test from CL. So there were times where I did not have much time to give full length mock, or I even missed because of my internships and college exams. So during that time, I was always consistent with my daily dose test, so that I could feel that at least I have done or solved few questions rather than doing nothing. So that actually helped me a lot, and it builds the consistency, and it allows you to practice more, like not just full length mocks, but even that 15 to 20 minute test were enough for me.
Yeah, need to stay in the zone, right? Well said. Daily dose ऐसा फीचर है जो साइकोलॉजिकली आपको पुश देता है बिना किसी के बॉम्बार्डिंग या सुपरविजन के. It's just that next day वो questions lock हो जाते हैं, and it makes you feel, oh, I have missed out. The other aspirants in my competition are doing, and I'll miss that head start. So yeah, I mean, we put attention to detail in terms of these factors. Apart from this, whether it is about AI SOP writing or appearing for AI mock interviews, the way it is there in Narsi Monji and others, makes CL resources very comprehensive and one-stop shop for every single aspirant. So any expert advice for our juniors or CAT 26 or 27 students?
I would just say one thing, that don't compare your preparation or your strategy with other aspirants or students, because it happened with me. Starting mein, I used to compare with everyone. So the thing is, every student, every aspirant is on a different journey, on a different road. So comparing will not solve anything. I have seen my friends scoring very high initially, but then till the time the main exam comes, it drops. So it's just that don't compare, and you just build your own consistency, build on your own, so that you will get your own results.
Yeah, बिना वजह फोमो क्रीपिंग भी तो नहीं होने देना है. Makes sense. That's about it. Surbhi, thank you for joining today.
Thank you.